Craving something sweet, cozy, and classic, but don't want to bake a whole batch of cookies? This sugar cookie mug cake is soft, buttery, and topped with sprinkles for that nostalgic cookie shop vibe. Best part, it's ready in just minutes. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for the soft base of our cake. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for that classic cookie sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to help it rise, and just a tiny pinch of salt to balance the flavors, so the baking powder blends evenly. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of milk to keep the cake tender, 1 tablespoon of melted butter for that buttery cookie taste, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for warmth and aroma. Stir everything together until the batter turns silky smooth and flows easily. Microwave the mug for about 70 to 80 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. For a quick glaze, mix 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar with 1 teaspoon of milk and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Just whisk it together until smooth and glossy. It should be pourable but not too runny. This simple glaze takes the mug cake from everyday sweet to sugar cookie magic. Drizzle it over your warm cake and finish with rainbow sprinkles or sugar crystals for that festive sugar cookie finish. And there you have it, a warm, buttery sugar cookie mug cake that tastes like your favorite holiday cookie in under 5 minutes. Perfect for late-night cravings or a sweet pick-me-up anytime. Try this easy mug cake and thank me later. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.